Hello, this is Teacher Kimi. This is our lesson today. Pond, pond, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. What's this? It's a pond. What's this? It's a pond. What color is a pond? It's blue. It's blue. Tractor, tractor. T-R-A-C-T-O-R, tractor. What's this? It's a tractor. What color is a tractor? It's brown. It's brown. Wheel, wheel. W-E-L-L, wheel. What's this? It's a wheel. How many wheels do you see? I see one wheel. I see one wheel. One wheel. Two wheels. One wheel. Two wheels. Barn, barn. B-A-R-N, barn. B-A-R-N, barn. What color is a barn? It's red. It's red. Hay, hay, hay. What do you see? I see hay. I see hay. What color is a hay? It's yellow. It's yellow. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.